Hello everyone, in this video I am going to show you how to unarchive Instagram story before 24 hours. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Okay, thanks guys. So let's get started. First of all, you go to Instagram apps, tap on this. Next, tap on your profile icon. Next, tap on three dot icon. After that, tap on account center. You can see here archive. Tap on this. Select on photo and tap on three dot icon. You can see here four options. Tap on save photo, save videos. Tap on save. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. Please subscribe to my